Bhakti mama vijanati yavanyashasmi tattvataha. Krishna says in Gita, in the 18th chapter and 55th verse, he says, "This is you want to know my weak point?" Like lovers, they never like to tell you the weak point of it. Husband always tries to keep so many secrets from the wife because he's afraid that she may take advantage of his weak point, so he lose control. Listen to the very end of Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 55th verse. Krishna is telling, listen everyone, do you want to know my weak point? Bhakti mama vijanati yavanyashtasmi tattvataha. Tato mam tattvato gyatva vishate taranantaram. One can understand me as I am, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, only by devotional service. And when one is in full consciousness of me by such devotion, he can enter into the kingdom of God. Bhakti mam avijanati. Avijan janati. One can fully understand me by love. So, and also other places he says, Aham bhakta pradino. Aham bhakta pradino. Krishna becomes vasibhut. He becomes controlled by his devotees. Devotee means his lovers. The lovers control him. So Krishna is easily controlled by love. But the difficult thing is to get that love, to attain that state of dedication, where one actually falls in love with Krishna. Is that it's not so easy. Because now we love everything but Krishna. We love our bodies, we love ourselves. This is in the story 9th canto of Bhagavatam, that verse is there, Aham bhakta paradino. Ya swatantra iva dvija sadubir grasta hridayo bhakter bhakta janapriya. Janapriya. Bhakta janapriya. It's Krishna, Bhagavan Vishnu was telling Durvasa Muni in the famous story Durvasa Ambarish. Aham bhakta paradina. Paradina. Paradina means I'm dependent on the will of my devotees. Aswatantra. Aswatantra iva dvija. He says, listen, Dvija, O Durvasa Muni, O Dvija, O Brahman. You say I'm Swatantra, Abhigya Swarat. Krishna is all-knowing, Abhigya and Swarat, independent. It's told in Bhagavad. But Krishna himself is saying, oh, really? Bhagavatam is telling, but I'm telling that Swatantra, hey Brahman, I lose my independence is lost. In the presence of love, I lose my independence. In the presence of my bhakta prem, love of my devotees, and aham bhakta paradino. Yes, swatantra ivadu sarubir grastaridiyo. Because grastaridiya, the sadhus, the saintly people, the pure devotees that are completely free from all material desires, they have captivated my heart. Sadubir grasta hridayo bhakter bhakta janapriya. Because I am dependent not only on my devotee, but also on my devotee's devotee. Bhakta janapriya. So this is Krishna saying that love controls me. I am controlled by love. Everyone's controlled by love. Love controls everything. It comes from Krishna. Because Krishna is controlled by love and we're part and parcel of Krishna, then we can also become controlled by love.